Hi guys, it's Bella from Blooms here, and today we are going to be doing a simple bubble experience. All you need is some water, dish liquid, some food dye and a whisk. So I'll pour in some of the dish liquid. So here I have just half the container filled with water, and then pour a bit in so then the bubbles can get really high. So I'm just going to whisk it around and make sure it's all nice and bubbly. I'll do it twice. And then the more you whisk, the more bubbles will come. And we really want it about this tight. So I'll just roughly do that. Then add your food dye so that when you press your paper, you can really see the bubble texture. So I'm just going to do a couple of drops. And then whisk it again. And now it's turning blue. So this experience also helps with the children's colour recognition with whatever colour you choose, and also a great sensory experience. Continue mixing that up. And now just get your piece of paper and then just tap it lightly, and then you'll get the pattern. And then look. And the children can enjoy doing this, and then after they can feel it with their hands and then enjoy the sensory experience. Thank you, bye.